I'm standing here with one of my young buffalo bulls, and he had a bit of a run-in with Bushman, our adult bull. So I just need to check him over and give him some pain medication and antibiotics, and also try to tag him. It's not every day you can get this close, or they are this subdued, I would say, because he's in a bit of pain, so he doesn't move a lot, so I can just work on him. Hello. Okay, sir. As you can see, not sure if the camera does it justice, but he's properly beaten up. Okay, all right. So come on, so what I need to try is first of all the injections, the pain relief injection. Okay. Okay. Come on. Okay. Just try to help you, okay? So I'm gonna knock him here in the V. Okay. So that's some pain medication for him. And then I need to give him some antibiotics. This one is a bit of a stinger, so not too sure if it will stand for it, but let's hope. Okay, alright. Okay. Oh, come on. Just trying. Come on. Come on. That's probably enough. Right. Well, that's a long-lasting antibiotic. Just want to spray here. So this is also a antibiotic spray. Come on. He's got a bad gash behind his ear. I would like to come on. on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on, come. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go. Okay. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go. Come on. Okay. Come on. Okay. Alright. Okay. Now I want to see if I can put a tag in his ear. That will be great. Kom. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Beautiful. Well, that went better than expected. Eerste hekkie en te behoor ek in painkiller in. Wounds, all these injuries being sprayed with antibiotic spray. So it's an antibiotic spray. So the only thing left is to put his night tag in. So a night tag is with a that you scan, and it's got all these numbers and stuff on, and if you move him somewhere, like this little lady, alright, yeah, you want to be the star of the show, eh? Blessings. So that's her night tag down there in the round one there. That's just her number there. Yeah. So yeah, that went better than expected. I lost one of my cameras, and I don't know, man. I don't know where it is. I've been searching everywhere for it. So now I'm down to one. That's not great at all. Yay. Hey, what's up? Hey? Well, that's me for now. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel on this side, some videos on this side. Please leave some comments, that will be great, and thank you for your support. Till next time.